Welcome to Top Best Picks. The BestMassage set is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to streamline their communication. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall value of this incredible product. We'll explore how it can transform the way you interact with others, making your life easier and more efficient. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to discover why the Massage set is a game changer. Number 5. Yaheetech 24-inch pink foldable massage table. This professional spa bed is built to last. It features beechwood legs, an aluminum alloy frame, and a comfortable, durable faux leather cover. It's designed to give you a great experience. The Yaheetech spa bed is fully adjustable. You can easily adjust the height from 25.2 to 33.7 inches using the knobs on each leg. This allows you to customize it to your needs. The headrest is removable and adjustable for different heights and angles. It uses a quick-fix locking device for easy adjustment. This feature makes it perfect for various treatments. Setting up this spa table is incredibly easy. You don't need any tools. Simply open the case, pull out the legs, and adjust them to your desired height. It's ready to go in minutes. This folding spa bed is perfect for various settings. Use it at home, in a spa, beauty salon, or clinic. It's also easy to transport and set up wherever you need it. What we like. This table offers adjustable height, making it perfect for various therapists and treatments. It's also super easy to set up, saving you valuable time. If you're a professional looking for versatility and convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. The table is sturdy and feels very stable even when fully extended. The padding is comfortable for clients, and the black upholstery looks professional. I like that it's foldable and comes with a non-woven carrying bag, which makes transport and storage very easy. Number 4. BestMassage 24-inch portable massage table. Setting up this massage bed is incredibly easy, requiring no tools. You simply unfold it, and the legs automatically fall into place. After installing the accessories, it's ready to use. It's a convenient and portable solution for massage therapists. This massage table is designed for easy transport, perfect for traveling professionals. Weighing only about 29 pounds, it comes with a non-woven bag for convenient carrying. This makes it ideal for on-the-go services. The height of this massage table is easily adjustable with knobs on the sturdy feet. This allows the therapist to customize the height for optimal comfort and working conditions. It adjusts from 24 to 34 inches. Experience ultimate comfort with the 2-inch thick sponge of this massage table. It's built with high-quality beech wood and reinforced corners, supporting up to 450 pounds. This ensures both comfort and durability. The massage table is covered in luxurious PVC leather, which is durable, soft, and easy to clean. The non-woven bag ensures safe and convenient carrying of the bed. It's designed with attention to detail for a superior experience. What we like. This massage bed is designed to be portable and lightweight, ideal for mobile therapists. It also features height adjustability for optimal comfort. If you're a traveling esthetician or massage professional, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Massage Table Massage set is a great way to communicate with others. The design of the massage table is very user-friendly. The massage set is easy to use and understand. Number 3. Luxton Home Portable Massage Table. This massage table is crafted with high-grade PU leather, ensuring skin safety and durability. Inside, you'll find memory foam for ultimate comfort during your massage. The table features 5 centimeters of foam, with a top layer of scientifically designed memory foam. This combination provides excellent support for the body at any angle. Setting up this massage table is incredibly easy, taking only a minute or two. Many users have praised its simple setup process in their reviews. Designed for portability, this table is both sturdy and lightweight. It folds compactly and comes with a carry bag. It also includes a face hole and a side pouch for accessories. The mattress is made with durable materials and can hold up to 250 kilograms. It features a hardwood frame and steel support cables for added stability. The table's height is easily adjustable using knobs on each leg. You can customize it to your preferred height for maximum comfort. With headrest and armrest, 84.5 L x 36 W x 24.5 x 35 H inches. Without headrest and armrest, 73.5 L x 28 W x 24.5 x 35 H inches. What we like. This table features memory foam for premium comfort. It's also incredibly easy to set up, saving you time and effort. If you like a comfortable and easy-to-use table, this is the one for you. What people say. This massage table is well constructed. Very comfortable. Solid stability and easy to put together. Number 2. BestMassage 24-inch portable massage table. Setting up this massage table is a breeze. You simply unfold it, and the legs automatically fall into place. When finished, just fold it up, it becomes a carrying case. No tools or complicated steps are needed. This portable massage bed is perfect for professionals on the go. Weighing only about 26 pounds, it's easy to carry around. It also comes with a non-woven bag for convenient transport. Experience ultimate comfort with the high-density sponge of this table. It's built with a reinforced aluminum frame and hardwood corner blocks, making it exceptionally strong and capable of supporting up to 450 pounds. The table is draped in luxurious PU leather, which is durable, soft, and easy to clean. The secure lock ensures safe and convenient carrying. This design ensures both comfort and longevity. The height of this massage bed is easily adjustable. Each sturdy foot has a height-adjustable device, allowing for adjustments from 23 to 31.5 inches. This feature allows the masseur to work more effectively. What we like. This massage bed is easy to set up, making it convenient for quick use. It is also lightweight for easy portability. If you are a traveling esthetician or massage professional, you should consider this one. What people say. Message Table Message Set is a great product. The design is very user-friendly. The product works as expected. Number 1. Luxton Home Massage Table with Rolling Travel Case. This massage table is designed for premium comfort. It features a 5 cm foam, with memory foam on top and dense foam below. This combination provides the best support for the body at any angle. This is a 3-section massage table, allowing for various massage angles. You can easily adjust and lock the third section to find the perfect angle for any massage or therapy. It's truly unique and customizable. Enjoy relaxing massages wherever you go with this portable table. It folds up compactly and comes with a carrying bag for easy travel. It also includes a face hole and a side pouch for accessories. Setting up or packing up this massage table is quick and easy, taking only a minute or two. No tools are required. Check out the reviews to see how simple it is. This portable massage bed is made with high-quality, durable materials. It's built to hold up to 551 pounds. The hardwood frame and steel support cables ensure its stability and longevity. What we like. This massage table features memory foam for premium comfort and a unique 3-section design for versatile positioning. It is also easy to set up, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a customizable and comfortable experience, you should consider this one. What people say. The Message Table Message Set is a great way to communicate with others. The design is very user-friendly and easy to use. The messages are clear and concise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.